Good morning. I am Srireka, Department of Chemistry. So already we have discussed about how the potentials can be developed by using in this electrode potential and the developed potential by using the metals, this formation of metal ions. With this, the formation of metal to the metal ions in the solution, we have to derive this equation of an Nernst equation. So here the topic is Nernst equation. We are going to derive from this electrode potentials of the reactions. So here the Mn plus Ne minus which gives M. So this is the product with the reactant to form whether the potentials can be developed. So here del G equal to minus RT ln A plus RT ln product by reactant. So this is the equation how the Nernst equations can be derived by using this type of constant. So whenever the equilibrium constant K has been derived by this equation, the free energy change and the standard free energy change of del G can be determined by using these equations. So here the formula of this equation is made from del G equal to minus RT non K plus RT non product by reactant. So we have to derive the reactions by using product and the reactant. So here the standard free energy change we can be derived from this constant del G equal to del G non plus RT non product by reactant. So in this we have already derived from this equation whether it is del G not equal to minus RT log K. So here this equation can be we have substitute by using this minus RT log K. So by using this del G equal to del G naught plus RT non product by reactant. So by substituting these equation del G naught when we get this equation like product by reactant the equation becomes 1. So by using this equation 1, we have to find out whether the number of electrons can be transferred by using this and the Faraday of electrons how the electrons can be developed and by using this the EMF of the cell can be calculated. So here the del G equal to not standard free energy chain. So del G can be considered as a standard free energy chain or the del G is equal to a decrease in standard free energy chain. Del G is considered as a decrease in free energy chain and del G naught is also considered as a decreased standard free energy change of the reactions. So here we can substitute the reactions by minus del G equal to NEF or minus del G not equal to NA not F. So by combining these two equations can be considered as the equation number 2. So by doing equation number 2 can be substitute in this equation 1 we will get this reactions. So here minus del G that is del G equal to NFE and del G naught is considered as minus NE naught F plus RT ln product by reactant. So product by reactant we will get this product and the reactant this is Mn plus. So we have to substitute by ln M by Mn plus. So we can consider the equation number 3 as the final equation. So with this equation we are going to derive minus NFE equal to minus NFE naught plus RT naught M by Mn plus. So while this equation, we can divide the equation E by minus NF. So we will get this equation 5 E equal to A naught minus RT by NF ln 1 by Mn plus. While the M can be considered as a solid metal is considered as a M equal to 1. So while this substituting this value 1 by Mn plus. So we will get the equation like E equal to E naught minus RT by NF ln 1 by Mn plus. So this is the equation number 4. So by using this equation, you will get this transfer by the equilibrium constant K and this decrease in the free energy chain by choosing the transfer of electrons in the equilibrium. So we will get that E equal to E naught minus RT by NF ln product by reactant. So while this equation, the product by reactant, we will have to transfer as a Mn plus. So we will have the changes of reverse of 1 by Mn plus. So we will get the equation E equal to E naught plus RT by NF ln Mn plus. So this is the equation format how the electrons can be transferred by using the Mn plus. And by this equation, we have to take the log Mn plus into the log of Mn plus. So E equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT log of ml plus. By taking log, we will get these values. So by substituting the R value and the D value in this F value, we will get the final answer of reduction E equal to E naught plus 0.0591 by N log of ml plus. So while these the values of reduction and this oxidation, we have find out the Nernst equation, how the reduction and the oxidation tension can be derived from the Nernst equation. Thank you.